Alright, let's build Seawitch in Blender 2.8. Kill our cube and the lamp up there. And the first thing we're going to do is look at our units. We want to set this to imperial in inches, since that's the way pinball machines were made. It's going to make things a lot easier for us. And then we are going to add a playfield. Let me turn on my screen keys for you here. Okay. Yes, there we go. Okay. So these we want to be at X 0 inches. Here we want these to be at Y 0 inches. Stern playfield is 20 1/4 inches wide and 42 inches long. Okay, so there's our playfield, and right away we can just go ahead and get our playfield image on here. So we're going to use nodes, and we're going to do, there we go, and we'll do a full image texture setup. That didn't work quite right. I don't want that. Okay, so we're just going to open this, find our playfield at 150 dpi, and look at that, it's upside down, so we just want to take this and turn it 180 degrees. We'll have to map it differently later on, but right now that's going to be the easiest way to work. We have our playfield. Let's do the rest of our prep on our playfield right off the bat here. Make sure we're using cycles, and I want to use my GPU. And I guess I'm going to set up a quick HDRI so we've got a little bit of light in the scene. There we go. Something anyway. Okay. So first thing we want to do is punch out some holes in our playfield. We'll start with inserts. When you scan an asset, you don't always know quite what you get as far as the quality of the insert or the way the scanner handles it, so it's better just to pop these right out of the playfield and put in new ones underneath. So in edit mode, we're just going to do a whole bunch of these. So I don't know, whoever decided it was a good idea to put that many inserts on a pinball playfield, he and I need to have some words. Unbelievable. I've been working on a lot of EMs lately, and there just aren't that many inserts. So this one I just made a custom shape for, and we're going to take that and extrude it through, and then we'll duplicate that and bring it over here, and it should work in both cases. Yeah, great. Okay, so that's all inserts. Now none of these we actually want to have as holes in the mesh that we bring over to Visual Pinball. This is just for rendering purposes. So we are going to add a Boolean modifier, aim it at those inserts, and then we're going to take all of those and we're going to move them to a collection called junk. Okay, so there's our playfield with all of our inserts cut out. There are a few more holes I want to make that we don't really have to worry about bringing over to Visual Pinball, but that we do want cut out for rendering, so let me do those now. There we go. That's everything cut out that we want to cut out for visual purposes, but where we don't want actual holes in the mesh for Visual Pinball. Looks like I missed these. I'm just going to add these to this mesh. So those get cut out as well. There we go. All right.